So, have you ever wanted to pour stuff into Source, but the model, the faces show, you know, the wrong way around. As you can see over here, it's like the wrong way. Well, I know the fix for that. So go into your blend file and take a look at the model that, has the issue. Then go to edit mode. Now, go over here, over here, and click face whatever the fuck that says. And now you see the red? Yeah. Select the red parts, go to mesh, normals, and flip. I said flip. Okay, I don't know why it didn't work when I first did that, but whatever. I guess you have to select it, again, or some shit, I don't fucking know. So do this for every single part of the model, every single face that is red. And then it will show up correctly in your game engine, or whatever the fuck you're making, or whatever. You get my point. So let's just fix that. Do 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 do. This is gonna take forever, but just be patient. And there we go. Now everything's blue like it's supposed to be. So now, re-export your mesh. There we go. And now, recompile. Let's let it take some time, cause computers aren't humans, they don't do shit. Okay, well, nothing does shit in 5 seconds. Come on. You can do it! There we go. And now, as you can see, everything's visible, how it should be. And yes, I know there are no textures on the model, but I'm gonna fix that soon. And I just realized that the shirt is clipping through the pants, so I gotta fix that as well. Boo-hoo! Anyways, bye!